In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Metafields to your products in Shopify, an essential skill for customizing your store's detail pages and enhancing your product management. Metafields in Shopify are incredibly useful for adding extra data to your products, which can help you tailor your offerings and display additional information on your storefront. So, let's get started on making your Shopify store even more dynamic and informative. First, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand panel of your Shopify dashboard. Here, click on Pipe Products. This section is where you'll find all the items that you're selling and will enable you to manage and adjust details as needed. After you've clicked on Products, look through the list and select the specific product you wish to enrich with Metafields. This step is crucial, as realistic planning and forethought about which product needs extra information can save you time and effort later on. Once you've opened the details page of your selected product, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Category. Click to open this drop-down and choose the correct category for your item. Selecting the appropriate category is a key step because the suggestions for Metafields are tailored based on the category type. Using the right category ensures that you align your product's data with suitable templates and suggestions, which helps in maintaining consistency throughout your store. By choosing the correct category, you now unlock the option to edit or choose from existing category Metafields at the bottom of the page. Category Metafields allow for additional specifications, details, or attributes that may not be standard among all products. Think about details like dimensions, care instructions, or a special feature that sets the product apart. You can either create new Metafields here or select from existing options. This flexibility lets you customize your storefront precisely to your needs. Once you have created or selected the appropriate Metafields that enhance your product's information, you will want to connect it to your product's variants list. This connection links the Metafields with any variants of the product you're working with, ensuring that your customers see the correct information for every available option. Whether it's different colors, sizes, or models, linking to the variants list ensures clarity and accuracy in the product information displayed to potential buyers. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added Metafields to your product in Shopify. Mastering Metafields can significantly boost the richness of information on your product pages, better informing your visitors, and potentially improving their shopping experience. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to explore additional Shopify resources or reach out for more personalized guidance. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.